Trends of wheat production in India. Wheat is mainly grown as a rabi crop. Major varieties grown are HI 8759 Pooja Tejas, HD 4728 Pooja Malawi, HW 5203 Cow 3, HD 1605 Pooja Ujala, HD 3171 and HS 562. Wheat, Triticum aestivum, is one of the principal cereal crops grown worldwide and one of the important staples of nearly 2.5 billion of world population. It is the second most produced cereal after maize. Genes for the dwarfing trait, first used by Japanese wheat breeders to produce short-stalked wheat, have had a huge effects on wheat yields worldwide. These were major factors in the success of the Green Revolution in Mexico and Asia, an initiative led by Norman Borlaug. China was the leading wheat producing country, followed by India and Russia. India's wheat production has increased in last 10 years at a CAGR of 2.14%. Area under wheat cultivation has also increased in last 10 years at CAGR of 0.69%. The production of wheat has also showed an increasing trend from 87.39 to 94.57 million tons from 2012-2013 to 2017-2018 with a magnitude of 7.18 million tons, that is 8.22%. The major source of this increase in production is mainly attributed to expansion in area followed by marginal increase in productivity. Uttar Pradesh still holds the position of largest producer in the country. Over to the data. State-wise analysis of wheat. Area under wheat in major wheat growing states in India in million hectare. You can see that Uttar Pradesh topped the chart with 9.54 million hectares, followed by MP and Punjab. Rajasthan, Haryana, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are the other major wheat growing areas. Production in million ton of wheat in major wheat growing areas in India over the period. Here again, Uttar Pradesh tops the chart with 32.75 million tons of production, followed by Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. Haryana, Rajasthan, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh are the other wheat growing areas in India. Yield of wheat in major states of India, kilogram per hectare. Here Punjab topped the chart with 5183 kilogram per hectare, followed by Haryana 4925 kilogram per hectare. UP, which was topping the chart in acreage and production, have come to the fourth position with an average yield of 3432 kilogram per hectare. Percentage of area under irrigation in major wheat growing states of India. Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab and UP tops the chart with more than 98% of the area under irrigation, followed by Bihar, MP and Gujarat with more than 90%. Maharashtra, Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh follows. Analysis of wheat over the years. Area under wheat cultivation in India over the years in million hectares. Pre-Green Revolution, that is before 1967 to post-Green Revolution after 1978, showed a significant increase in the area. It almost more than doubled in this period, owing to the low cost of cultivation and other farming practices. The average area under cultivation pre-Green Revolution was 12.14 million hectare, while during the Green Revolution period it was 18.06 and after the Green Revolution period it was 26.17 million hectare. Production in million ton of wheat in India over the years. Pre-Green Revolution, that is before 1967, recorded an average production of 9.49 million tons, while during the launch of Green Revolution period, that is 1967 to 1978, it increased to 24.16 million tons. After Green Revolution, it showed a significant increase to 66.8 million tons, which is almost 7 times the production during the pre-Green Revolution era. Yield of wheat in India over the years, kilogram per hectare. A similar trend can also be seen here like that of production. Pre-Green Revolution, that is before 1967, recorded an average yield of 774.64 kg per hectare, and Green Revolution period 1967 to 78 showed an average yield of 1293.18, and post-Green Revolution after 1978 an average yield of 2505.78 kg per hectare was recorded. Owing to the scientific farming practices and high-yielding varieties, the yield have almost tripled. Percentage of irrigated area under wheat in India over the years. Area under irrigation during 1950 to 51 was 33.99%, while area under irrigation in 66 to 67 before the launch of Green Revolution was 47.97%. Area under irrigation in 1978 to 79 was 65.96%, and as per current data available 2015-2016, it have reached 94.22%. Trends and forecasting. Yield kilogram per hectare and yield trend under wheat cultivation in post-Green Revolution period in India. You can notice a steady increase in yield. The average yield from 1950 to 1978 was 978.36, while the average yield from 1979 to 2018 was 2504.79. The increase in yield is 156%. Production in million ton of wheat in India from 2011 to 2018 and is forecasting from 2019 to 2023. You can certainly notice a steady increase in production during this period, except for a dip in 2014-2015 due to unseasonal rains. Adverse weather conditions led to an over 10% dip in pulses output, while production of coarse cereal dipped by 3.5% in 2014-15. In the current forecasting, expect our wheat grain production to be 105.24 million tons per hectare, with a limited scope for increasing the crop acreage. Besides the production threats and challenges at the forefront, followed by understable wheat acreage, and given the optimistic production target, the existing average yield has to be increased. Concerted research should focus to break the yield barriers in gradual manner and develop genotypes tailored for specific wheat growing regions. For Krishi Sanjeevani, Vipin.